Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Anting vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toy, so, no? Ingat.
Alright, good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. Please turn to the person beside you and say, "You're looking so fresh today." Come on. Everybody's looking great, looking so fresh this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Johan Enriquez, and I shall be your host/facilitator for today's press con. And once again, welcome to the Maynila Ballroom and to the Flores de Mayo, Dalisay at Halibuya press conference. Give yourselves a big round of applause for being here today. Yes, and as we're moving forward, we would like to acknowledge the presence of some very special people in our midst today. So we would like to acknowledge the presence of our senior designers, beginning with Rene Salud, Albert Andrada, Tony Galang, Glenn Lopez, and Lito Perez. And at the same time, we are acknowledging the presence of the FDAP designers, beginning with Ramil Estrope, Daniel Manila, Arhon Macaraig, Ho Alivio, Follow Christ by Armand Zaris Manapa, Nomer Serpito, James O'Brien, Peña Florida Atelier, North Ortiz, Joel Rosales, there he is, Dennis Sayat. Then we move on to Jerome Navarro. Hello, sir. Jean Villamayor. There she is. Avery John Palad. Adam Balasa. Danica Damo. Samantha Oliva. Mary Grace de la Peña. Simon Ariel Vasquez. Ace Vergara. And Kathy Capistrano. And to our media partners, press partners and media for today, welcome and thank you for joining us this morning. So as we are beginning our program today, may we request everyone to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be followed in this beautiful venue that we have today. May we call on the president of the Manila Hotel, Attorney Joey Lina.
Sa ating butihing unang lungsod, God first, Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso. Palakpakan po natin ang ating butihing Mayor. Ang chairman ng FDAP, Fashion Designers Association of the Philippines, si Ramil Estrope. Palakpakan po natin. At ang overall director ng ating Flores de Mayo 2026, Dalisay at Halimuya, ating kaibigan Director Raymond Villanueva. Ang pinuno ng DTCAM, Department of Tourism, Culture and Arts of Manila, Crystal Bagatsing. Palakpakan po natin. Si Councilor Sarkal, palakpakan po natin. Ang mga kinatawa ng Philippine National Police sa ating mga iba pang opisyales ng City of Manila na nandito, sa ating mga designers, sa veterans at saka sa iba pang designers, sa inyo lahat, maganda at makadiyos na bagang aking dati. Maikli lang po itong welcome remarks na ito. Alam po ninyo, may isang haligi rito sa Manila Hotel, ay sa akin na yun. Kasi magdadalawampung taon na akong presidente ng Manila Hotel. At mainit namin kayo tinatanggap dito sa Maynila Ballroom, isang makasaysayang lugar dito sa Manila Hotel. Bagamat ang buong hotel ay makasaysayan, 114 years old na po ito, Manila Hotel. Pero ito Maynila Ballroom ay disenyo mismo ng national artist Leandro Locsin. Kaya wala po kayong makikita gasing iconic ng Maynila Ballroom. Ito lang po ang katangi-tangi. God first. That's the first impression that I got from Mayor Isko, to tell you the truth. When we met for the first time here at the Manila Hotel, you were our guest and you expressed your belief in God, God first. That's why ditong ating Flores de Mayo ay mabibigay ng parangal sa ina ng Diyos. At ang ano man ang ating denomination, hindi natin maitatanggi na ang ina ng Diyos ay napakahalaga sa ating buhay. Kaya nga tinawag ina ng Diyos. Bagamat siya ay tao, hindi natin siya hindi talaga natin siya dinid Diyos. But siya ang ina ni Jesus, at si Jesus ay Diyos. Jesus is Lord. Kaya malaking bahagi ng ating buhay bilang Kristiyano, ang ina ng Diyos. Si Maria, ang Birheng Maria. At siya ang bibigyan natin ng parangal. Sa Flores de Mayo, mag-aalay ng bulaklak sa Kanya bilang pagbibigay halaga sa kahalagahan ng ating ina ng Diyos. At mapalad tayo na ang ating butihing mayor at ang kanyang may bahay, dining, ay siyang ating magiging hermano at hermana mayor. Palakpakan natin. At kabilang pa ang kanilang mga anak bilang patunay ng kanilang taus-pusong pakikisa dito sa ating cultural event na ating inaasahan na magiging malaking cultural event muli dito sa City of Manila, sapagkat nagsimula ito 1979 sa City of Manila sa pamumuno na rin ng Congregación de Santo Niño, panghaba Santísimo de Nombre de ganun na nga. Ang haba kasi. Sila Ben Parales, oh Rene, were you part of that? No? You're still part of that. Tony, were you part of that? Tony, si Tony gumagawa na aking barong Tagalog, libre. Hindi na. Hindi, may kaunti. So, talagang pagagandahin natin, Mayor, talagang paghuhusayin natin. Ang Armed Forces of the Philippines, kasama na rito. Ang Philippine National Police, ang kasama rito. Ang maghahawak na arko, mga kadete ng Army, ng Navy, at saka ng Air Force. In their resplendent uniform. Talagang spectacle ito, Mayor. Nakita mo naman yung arko. I-edit lang ng kaunti. Medyo mabigat yata. Baka hindi makaya ng mga members ng Armed Forces. At talaga sa Facebook, sa traditional media, social media, pinopromote natin, Mayor, ito. At nag-iimbita tayo ng mga mamamayan, hindi lang ng lungsod ng...
Maraming salamat po, Mr. President of the Manila Hotel, Attorney Joel Lino. Another round of applause for Mr. Joel Lino, please. Thank you so much, sir, for getting us even more excited for May 3 sa nalalapit na Flores de Mayo. So without any further ado, we shall now proceed to the press con proper. So the first one from the panel is going to be receiving some questions is of course none other than the Mayor, the Honorable Mayor of City of Manila, Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. Okay, so the floors have opened for the press guys to answer questions. Okay, so Mayor Isko, you may stay there po. Yeah. Okay, we have one right there. Yes? Okay, so let's hear it first from Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno first before we move forward to the questions. Take it away,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, Senator. Paborito ko, Senador. Dahil, you know, if you look at when I was a councilor then, in 1998, pag titignan niyo po yung kasaysayan or records of the Manila City Council, most, if not all, most of the law or ordinances that I had passed and convinced members, my co-members in the Sangguniang Panglungsod is all about Land for the Landless program. And the basis of that is what you call the LINA law, the Urban Development Housing. UDHA. Ayun po, may agdano si Senator Joey Lina. Kaya malapit sa puso ko po si Senator kasi alam niya naman na isa ako sa produkto ng walang sariling matitirahan. Anyway, to Raymond and Cathy, sa inyong lahat, good morning. Good morning pa naman. But I'm happy and proud, at the same time humbled to be with famous designers of the Philippines. Yung ating mga magagaling na designers ay nagpangipangita dito sa makasaysayang Manila Hotel. And we are also excited as a city government, especially yung aming director ng tourism, si dating Congressman Crystal Bagatsing. Kita nyo naman, tourist director pa lang namin, maganda na, pandayo na. But we are very excited simply because especially nowadays sa hirap ng buhay ng tao, life must go on. We must not forget who we are and where we came from. Dahil, you know, if there's something about Manila as a city and its people, you may have all the buildings in Makati, in BGC, in Ortigas, you name it. Maybe they're enjoying the progress, economic progress of our country. But, you know, yung mga building na yun, walang soul. That's the uniqueness of Manila. Meron siyang lalim. In fact, most of you here, most likely, nandito ngayon sa Manila. You may not be from Manila, but you have a story to tell about Manila. One way or another, you've studied, lived, worked, excelled from your field of undertaking, and Manila gave you opportunity because Manila, to most Filipinos, even in the early times, is the window of opportunity. Always. That is how our forefathers taught us na mag-Maynila tayo para tayo'y umangat. Mag-Maynila tayo para tayo'y makilala. Mag-Maynila tayo para tayo'y makapag-aral ng maayos. So those are the things. While Manila is old, which we agree, but it has a lot of story to tell. And kahit na kami luma, ang maliit naming kaparaan ang ginagawa sa araw-araw man lamang, ay mapanatiling maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay sa Maynila. At the very least of everything. At ito magaganap na gawain na minana namin. Kasi 5 years old pa lang ako noon. Nung nagsimula ito, 1979, 74 ako eh. Ay masaya po kami ng mga nasa lamesang ito na kayo ay dumulog sa panawagan ng makasaysayang Manila Hotel. Kasi ang ponente po talaga nito ay Manila Hotel. And we are just very happy and excited as city government to support the initiative of the private sector. Natutuwa kami na itong pamanang ito ay muling bubuhay sa isip, puso't damdamin ng aming mga mamamayan at ng mga taong dumadako sa aming lungsod, bumibisita. Kaya po, ngayon pa man lang, pinagpapauna ko na ang taus-pusong pasasalamat ng mga taga-lungsod ng Maynila. Dala ng magbibigay kayo ng maraming inspirasyon sa mga taga-lungsod ng Maynila sa arte, galing, or skills ng ating mga antigo talaga, pamana ating mga antigong magagaling.
Thank you sa inyo, pati sa mga viewers nyo and followers nyo. Oh, marami na kayong aabangan.
Yes, excited
Handa
na
na ba
po
kayo
kami.
mapuyat?
Yes naman, your man.
Ay makapagpasalamat sa inyong lahat. At sa ating mga vloggers, shout out sa lahat ng vloggers. You survive. Abonado pa kayo. Thank you very much sa inyo, ha? Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Antigua vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toy, so, ingat.